So, good afternoon to all of you. Let me start with PSM. ঠিক আছে? PSM তোমাৰ what was the last line? Last to কি আছিল আমাৰ PSM? Primitive Indian medicine. হয় নেকি? Primitive Indian medicine হ'ল নে? Have you finished primitive Indian medicine?
Silent. To
Factor using variation in pulse rate. হেতুৰ আছিলে।
Pulse no, PSM theory practical son হয়।
হয় মেম।
Theory কি হ'ল আমাৰ? Evolution of medicine মন আছে নে? Evolution of medicine, primitive medicine.
Yes, ma'am.
Last line to কি আছিলে? Last class, last line.
Primitive medicine asla.
Primitive medicine, no?
Supernatural theory of the disease as a logical sequence.
Itu হল নে primitive medicine? Primitive medicine is timeless. Itu হৈছে না নাই primitive medicine number A.
Yes,
এইটোলে হৈছিল মেম।
Till supernatural theory of disease. Itu হল নে?
yes,
হৈছে মেম।
আচ্ছা। তাৰ পিছত তোমাৰ Indian medicine হল? Itu লিখিছা না নাই? The supernatural theory of disease in which a primitive man believed it as new as today. Itu line to লিখিছা না নাই itu?
নাই লিখা মেম।
Okay.
No, ma'am.
In the primitive medicine, after the supernatural theory of disease, তোমালোকৰ full stop দিছা no? And then change the paragraph আৰু লিখা এইটো। Continue কৰা, change the paragraph and write down. The supernatural theory of disease in which the primitive man believed is as new as today. At the example dilu that in India, okay, one may still hear that the talk of curing snake bite. Whenever a snake bites, they believe that by mantras, okay, by going to the pujaris, in India, it's still believed that you can cure snake bite. Okay, these are some supernatural theory. And disease such as leprosy. Okay, leprosy means your whole body and nerve system will be damaged. Okay, in leprosy. So they believe that it was a punishment from one's past sin. That means they believed in karma. Maybe in the past he has done something wrong because of which now at present he is suffering from leprosy. They believed in all these things. So although primitive man may be extinct, means although primitive man, the old age people, they are no more, they already passed away, but still his progeny, that is the traditional healers, are found everywhere. Traditional healers mane all those people who used to heal by some kinds of magic spells or something like that. Do you know traditional healers? Do you know? Have you ever heard of traditional healers? Tell me.
No ma'am.
Okay. There are some tradition like Jaru Fuk and all. Do you know?
Yes, ma'am. Pujari
Yeah.
type.
Yes. So all these are traditional healers. Okay. So till now, in many parts of India, the traditional healers are still found. Even in this 21st century also, it is still found in many parts of India. So this is all about the primitive medicine or the primitive Indian medicine. Hold to last line, last paragraph. Finish? Have you finished?
Yes ma'am.
Okay. Now after number A to tomorrow asle primitive medicine. Okay. Now number B write down Indian medicine. I will mark. Okay, till here. Write till here. Don't write all of these things. It will likha just first paragraph too. Indian medicine. Number B, Indian medicine. please write properly. Okay, I'm taking so much trouble in writing the notes and all that, so you all should also write it properly. I will give all this in your portal, but still you write it down well. So Indian medicine, that are truly Indian in origin, they are the Ayurveda and the Siddha system. Okay, these two are purely Indian in origin. Okay, Ayurveda is practiced throughout India. Even till today, Ayurveda system of medicine is still practiced in India. Kintu, the Siddha system is practiced mainly in the Tamil speaking areas of South India. In South India, the Siddha system is still practiced. Okay, and also what does Ayurveda define? Ayurveda defines knowledge of life. Okay, and the origin was in the Vedic times. The origin was tracked during the Vedic times
मैम
around 5000 BC.
वॉइस क्लियर नहीं है.
Huh?
हेलो मैम,
Yes.
वॉइस क्लियर ना है, हुना ना एको
अच्छा
हुना ना
इतिया
एको आगर কথা
इतिया
क्लियर हुआ ना
am
এতিয়া
I
শুনা
audible?
পাইছো.
Acha. So number B, Indian medicine. Indian medicine that are truly Indian origin to ki hoy duta ase, that is Ayurveda system aru tumar Siddha system, e duta. Okay, Ayurveda is
मैम
practiced throughout
मैम
India.
আকৌ বুজিব আহিছে.
Huh?
আকৌ বুজি আহিছে, আকৌ বুজা না যায়.
Tumar network problem ase kete. Can you see the screen?
Yes ma'am.
So Indian medicines that are truly Indian in origin to ki hoy duta ase, Ayurveda and Siddha. Ayurveda etiao mane all over India it is practiced
blank skin ahi ase
kintu
blank skin ahi ase ma'am
blank screen aru etia
na blank skin nahi ase
acha roba
Lots of yes.
etia
nahi ma'am nahi oha
nai hoha niki roba now can you see the screen? Can you see the screen now?
Go to SMM picture, fuller figure.
Huh?
Fuller picture.
etia hoha nai niki
না হ্যাঁ ম্যাম.
network to bahut beya to etia aisa ne
Nahi.
না হ্যাঁ.
acha moi Can you see the screen now? Etia?
oh ma'am
Etia aisa na screen?
Ahi ase, ঘুরি ase.
Acha.
Aise.
Likha etia?
লিখিছো ম্যাম ইন্ডিয়ান মেডিসিন
মই এইটো মার্ক কৰিছো ন ব্লু কালাৰটো লিখা till 5000 BC
ওকে
তো in Indian medicine the truly Indian medicines দুটা আছে প্ৰথম তোমাৰ Ayurveda the second one is your Siddha system okay এই দুটা তো Ayurveda is practiced throughout India এতিয়াও throughout India all over India the Ayurveda system is still practiced কিন্তু Siddha system যোনটো আছে it is practiced mainly in the Tamil speaking areas of South India in South India Siddha system is still practiced okay
To
mainly
kenekwa system?
huh
Which type of this ma'am? Siddha system. Ma'am, Siddha system to kenekwa hoy?
yes
Ki
please
hoy
tell
etu,
me
ma'am?
ki hello
Ma'am, Ayurveda system to buji palu, ma'am, Siddha system.
Siddha Siddha
Yes, ma'am.
okay Siddha system it is one of the oldest system of medicine ekdom purana medicine hoy etu thik ase it is mainly in the South India jate beshi use kore etu Siddha system to it was the oldest system of medicine hoy okay mainly through herbs চিনি পাও নোপোৱা herbs কিবা কি পাত সাত
Yes,
জাৰি
ma'am.
বুটি এবোৰ কয় যে it is mainly made through that okay the Siddha system জাৰি বুটি আৰু কিবা কিবি ইউজ কৰে যে herbs medicinal plants এইবোৰ আৰু এই Siddha system দুটা আছে ঠিক আছে first is medicine তোমাৰ যোনটো medicine use কৰা যায় এই herbs আৰু তোমাৰ যোনটো মই ক'লো already জাৰি বুটি এইবোৰ and one more thing আছে one more তোমাৰ হয় spiritual discipline spirituality ঠিক আছে spirituality আৰু medicine এই দুটা combine কৰি খিনি Siddha system টো form হয় দুটা spiritual also first is spiritual second one is medicine composition of various kinds of herbs and jari butis all of these okay and mainly practiced in South India ekdom purana hoy etu Siddha system to bahut purana system of medicine hoy Siddha system mainly in South India did you understand
yes ma'am
Ma'am, explain it again.
yes hello
Ma'am, explain it again.
oh acha okay you can understand English
Yes.
okay so the Siddha system is what it is one of the oldest system of medicine okay it is very old it is from the ancient times and this Siddha system is mainly practiced in South India and it consists of two things one is medicinal practice ঠিক আছে okay medicinal practice and the other one is a combination of spiritual discipline your spirituality okay maybe they will do some kind of pujas or mantras this and that and one more thing is medicinal herbs it can be in the form of some kind of medicinal plants herbs jari buti and all I guess you have heard so it is a combination of two things medicinal as well as spiritual these two things when combined together it is known as the Siddha system and it is one of the oldest medicinal practice in India okay mainly you will get this even till today in South India not north south northeast you won't get here but you will get mostly in South India okay that is within the Tamil speaking areas you will get this system still prevalent did you understand
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
okay and Ayurveda means it implies the knowledge of life okay and it was since the Vedic times about 5000 BC before Christ the Vedic system in the Vedic system these two medicines were in use have you finished writing finish
Yes.
acha after that change the paragraph aru itu likha till 600 AD edu Hygiene was given an important place in ancient Indian medicine. Archaeological excavations at Mohenjo-daro and Harappa in the Indus Valley uncovered cities of over 2000 years old, which revealed rather advanced knowledge of sanitation, water supply, and engineering. The golden age of Indian medicine was between 800 BC and 600 AD. Please write these lines. Write these lines. What is the meaning of hygiene? Anyone? What do you mean by
Healthy.
hygiene?
Helpful for health.
Huh? What? Hygiene? What do you mean by hygiene? Please say something. What do you mean by hygiene? Are say.
To maintaining health condition.
Cleanliness, right? Mainly cleanliness. Sab safai. Cleanliness. To maintain health. Okay. To prevent against diseases. And also proper hand washing, proper sanitation. Okay. Then cleanliness, regular bathing, brushing teeth twice a day. All these are the hygienic methods used by people, many of the people. So we all should be hygienic. Okay. And this hygiene was given important place in ancient Indian medicine. In the Indian medicine, hygiene was given the topmost priority. Okay, and the archaeological excavations at Mohenjo-daro and Harappa, the Mohenjo-daro and Harappa are the two civilizations. Okay, in the ancient times, these two are the civilizations, two cities or two civilizations. Archaeological mane, what is archaeological? What do you mean by archaeology? Anyone? Anyone?
ভূতত্ত্ব বিজ্ঞান।
Yes. Others? In English, you tell me someone. Archaeology.
Study of human activity. Study of human activity. Maybe.
Human activity. Somebody else? Anyone? Anyone else? Anyone else want to share? What do you mean understand by the term archaeology? No one. So what you said is right. Okay, it is study of human activity. Human activity means what? Their cultures, their religious practices, their geological, okay, their environmental systems, all of these things comes under archaeology. Excavations means findings. Okay, in the archaeological, and whoever studies this archaeology, they are known as archaeologist. Archaeologist is the person who studies about archaeology, about the ancient history, about the ancient medicinal practices, ancient cultures, ancient religion. Okay, whoever finds out, they are known as archaeologists, whoever studies about this. So in the archaeological excavations of these two cities, that is Mohenjo-daro and Harappa, okay, it was in the Indus Valley. So they saw that there was an advanced knowledge of sanitation. Sanitation mane? Anyone know sanitation? Anybody sanitation? Sanitation? Nobody knows Kushal? Sanitation? What do you mean by sanitation? Tell me. Ranju Tae?
Sasota, ma'am.
Huh?
Sasota.
And Jotmon Engti? Jotmon, what do you mean by sanitation? Jotmon, unmute yourself. Veronica? Veronica Bare? Veronica Bare, tell me. What do you mean by sanitation? Say. Ankur, do you know sanitation? Then Atanu. Who is Atanu? Kushal Bora, you say, what do you mean by sanitation?
Sanitation to drink the clean water and
Yes.
ma'am
Aru?
uses in clean water and proper water which is helpful for health.
Yes, clean drinking water, proper waste and disposal system. Hoine? Human excreta. Human excreta mane? Proper
The
bathroom.
waste is yes, ma'am.
Okay. You see many of the people in fields, they just used to pass potty and also these are not proper sanitation. Okay, proper sanitation means proper bathroom, proper sewage system, proper disposal system, okay, proper drinking water, good drinking water. Then even the drainage system should be well provided, and also for throwing garbages also you need to have a good dug in inside the mud. You should dug properly. So many things comes under your sanitation. Okay. So what they found out, sanitation, water supply and engineering, these three things they found out in the findings at Mohenjo-daro and Harappa, and hygiene was given the topmost priority. Okay, that is why it is known as the golden age of Indian medicine. Okay, the golden age of Indian medicine was between 800 BC and 600 AD. Underline this line. The golden age of Indian medicine was between 800 BC and 600 AD. Underline kora so that you can know that it might come during your exams as a fill in the blanks or as a multiple choice question. It will underline kora, okay? This line. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Last it will likha. Some other medicine antiquity. Out of Indian medicine, after the Indian medicine, there were some more, like the Chinese medicine, Egyptian medicine, Greek medicine, Mesopotamian medicine, and the Roman medicine. This all you can just write down the names. Okay. Description is not very much important. Just naam to likhi dele hobo. Just write the names. Chinese, Egyptian, Greek, Mesopotamian, and the Roman. Whole name? Have you finished?
Yes, ma'am.
अच्छा এতিয়া लिखा germ theory of disease. Very important. Till here you write. Germ theory of disease. Can you see the screen? Are you able
No,
to
ma'am.
see the screen? Huh?
Yes.
Okay.
I say.
Okay, please write down the germ theory of disease. बहुत important है, okay? Important बोले लिखिए. It will come during your exam. Germ theory of disease. Right till here.
Ma'am, it question কেনেকৈ হ'ব exam?
Short note on germ theory of disease. তেনেকুৱা short note আহিব, নহলে আছে long question, নহলে short type answer. 2 marks হলে অকমান লিখিলে হৈ যাব, 5 marks হলে গোটেই লিখিব লাগিব. Okay? If 1 mark, like what were the names of the 2 bacteriologists who discovered the germ theory of disease? Dash dash fill in the blanks. Tumi ki likhiba? Louis Pasteur, Robert Koch. These 2 persons, they have discovered the germ theory of disease. Okay?
Okay.
So what does a germ theory of disease mean? Germ theory of disease means for long, man was groping in darkness about the causation of disease. Okay, why the disease was caused, what was the reason behind the cause of this illness. Okay, man was still searching. They didn't know. Because in the earlier you have read about the supernatural theory of disease. So they were still finding out the reasons. Okay, so several theories have advanced. Several theories were advanced from time to time, like of the Greeks and the Indians. The theory of contagion. Contagion mane discovery of virus. Okay, deadly viruses. ঠিক আছে? Contagion means the discovery of deadly viruses. The miasmatic theory. Miasmatic mane disease caused by air. Okay, disease caused by air is known as miasmatic theory. Example tomar cholera. Cholera is also a miasmatic disease that is caused through air. Okay, it's an airborne disease. Contagion means it is a virus-borne disease. Okay, that it is a virus-borne disease. Miasmatic means it is a airborne disease. Example is like a cholera. So the outbreak came in 1860 when a French bacteriologist, Louis Pasteur. Bacteriologist means a person who studies about bacteria. Okay, about bacteria, whoever studies, they are known as bacteriologists. So Louis Pasteur asile, he was from France, he was a Frenchman, he was a bacteriologist, and in between 1822 to 1895, he discovered the germ theory of disease. How did he discover? He demonstrated the presence of bacteria in air. He found out that in air there were certain bacteria, gram-negative bacteria, gram-positive bacteria. All these positive bacteria were present in air, because of which people were suffering from all these kinds of diseases. Okay, and then he disproved the theory of spontaneous generation. He disproved the supernatural theory of disease and all of this. Okay, the theory of humors by Greek and Indians, all these theories. What he did, he disapproved them. Okay, that is not true. It is not because of all this. He came to know that it was because of the presence of bacteria. And then again in 1873, Pasteur advanced the germ theory of disease. Tarpisod in 1877, Robert Koch, he was also a bacteriologist. Okay, In 1843 to 1910, he discovered that anthrax, it was caused by a bacteria. Anthrax mane, it is mostly caused, it is mostly prevalent to animals. Animals mostly suffer from this disease, okay, anthrax. And this anthrax was formed of spore-bearing bacteria. Spore forming, spores, okay, these are bacteria that were present in animals. They found out that this anthrax was caused by bacteria. Okay, then the discoveries of Pasteur and Koch confirmed the germ theory of disease. After they found out that in anthrax also there was the presence of bacteria, this advancement, the germ theory of disease, was totally proved that yes, that diseases were caused mainly through bacteria. At that time, they proved it in that way. So that is why it was known as the golden age of bacteriology. Then microbe after microbe was discovered, and they found out that gonococcus, it was revealed in the year 1847 that it was caused by bacteria. Then typhoid in the year 1880, tubercle 1882, cholera 1883, and diphtheria 1884, and so on. You will have to know all these years. Okay, gonococcus 1847, typhoid 1880, tubercle bacillus 1882, cholera 1883, diphtheria 1884. You will have to know all these years. Okay, did you got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So if I ask you, the germ theory of disease was propounded by two bacteriologists. What are the names? What are the names? Tell me. Who were the two persons? Nawaz, who are the two persons? Who were the two persons who discovered
ki
the germ theory of disease? Germ theory of disease was propounded by two people. Who are they?
Robert Koch and Louis Pasteur.
Louis Pasteur.
Yeah, so these two are the persons, okay, and they are bacteriologists. Okay, Louis Pasteur, in the year, which year? When did he discover? In between? In between which year?
1882
1895.
1822.
Yes,
1822 to
1822
1895.
Yes. Arrow to my Robert Koch. When did he discover anthrax?
1877
1843.
To 1910.
10. Arrow anthrax. What is anthrax? It is caused by,
Bacteria.
yes, and it mostly animals or plants or insects who are affected, or human beings who are affected by anthrax.
Animal.
Yes. Gonococcus, when was it discovered?
1847
Cholera? সোনকালে কোৱা cholera?
1883
Diphtheria?
1883
Pneumococcus and pneumococcus and typhoid?
1884.
1882 নহয়, 1880.
1880
Okay, so you have to remember all these names, all these years, sorry, years and names. Okay, it will come for your exam. So it is very important. Germ theory of disease is very. Finish writing, all of you?
One eye, ma'am, or all of us.
Please try to write a bit fast. More meeting time over hoise hobo etia. 1 minute baki ase. Can you see the screen?
Okay, ma'am, screenshot mari loisu.
Can you see the screen?
No, ma'am, nahi etio.
Okay, I will.
I say.
Okay. Take the
Okay, ma'am.
picture.
মেম আমি স্ক্ৰীনত লৈ লৈছো আপুনি মিটিং লিভ কৰি দিয়ক যদি টাইম অভাৰ হৈছে
only
ma'am.
1 minute baki ase.
Screenshot লৈছো।
Come on, screenshot loi lo নহলে. Take the picture.
Okay, thank you.
Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Lolo.
Okay, ঠিক
Okay,
আছে.
ma'am.
Thank you, all of you.
Ma'am, hello.
Yes, কোৱা।